Hey guys, hope everybody's staying safe out there. Do your headlights look like this? If they do, I'm going to show you how I make them look like this. Looks a lot better like that. They look brand new. Anyway, it's not very hard. A little bit of sandpaper and soapy water and some polish, and you can make your headlights look like that. So this is what they look like before I started. This is a 2010 CR-V that I bought, and I'm just fixing it up. I'm probably going to flip it, but the headlights were pretty oxidized, I guess you'd call it, or sunburnt, whatever you want to call it. They were in bad shape. So that's just some 2000 grit wet sandpaper. Or wet dry sandpaper, I guess it is. And that's just some water and a little bit of Dawn dish detergent in the bottle. And I just give them a nice sanding. Wipe all that moisture off. And they look a little better, but not great. They're still pretty hazy looking at this point. So then I take my polishing compound and my polisher, and we're going to hit that with some polish. And that's what I use. Meguiar's Fine Cut Cleaner. Just kind of rub it around the light a little bit. And away we go. Now, I did this twice on these headlights with the polishing compound. You could do it as many times as you want, 2, 3, 4, whatever. I found 2 times did a really nice job polishing it up. Got rid of a lot of the scratches and just shined it up pretty good, but it did need another going over. So that's the first time there. Quite a difference. And I could have left it like that, it probably would have been fine. But I decided if I'm doing it, I may as well do that one more time. There was a little bit of still marks down by the bottom there, along the bottom. So that's why I decided to do it again. So I just took this as the same stuff again, and I'm just going over it again basically the same way. And that's it. Looks like brand new. All polished up. Now, I don't leave it like this, because if you do, that's just polished plastic. There's nothing on there protecting that at all from the sun. So if you take that outside, probably after about, I would say 3 to 5 months, maybe 3 to 6 months, something like that, that's going to start to yellow again and it's going to start to get hazy. So what I do is I usually get my little buffer out, my handheld buffer, and I usually put some wax on it. And I find the wax, it just acts as a protectant from the sun on the plastic, and it just helps it to last a little longer. Now, if you really wanted this to last, you could take the lights off or tape them off. After you get to this step, you could tape that whole headlight off and you could clear it with clear coat. I've seen a lot of guys do that too, and it's supposed to last a lot longer. But I find if you wax it, it'll last quite a while. But this is how I do it, and I've done it for many years, and it seems to work pretty good. The lights hold up fairly well for, I would say, probably 2 or 3 years, and then you might have to do this again. But yeah, this is all I do, and it seems to work good. And there's the little handheld buffer, and that's just car wax. That's all that is. And that'll just help protect that plastic light from the sun. And if you waxed your car a couple of times a year and waxed the headlights every time you waxed the vehicle, then the headlights would obviously stay better a lot longer, like they wouldn't fade. So that's another thing I should mention. And that's it. That's how I restore my headlights on my vehicles. Not too hard. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a little bit of a shorter video. Everybody stay safe out there. Like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Everybody stay safe.